How to sell on kheoosmarket as an industrialist? Across the world, billions of industrial parts are needlessly stored in warehouses. These dormant parts can be new, refurbished, or used. These parts clutter up your storage space and generate unnecessary logistics costs. Your suppliers rarely take back this stock, and it's difficult to assess its market value. Fight against industrial waste by preventing them from being destroyed. Give your parts a second life. They are sought after by your peers. Sell. Entrust us with the sale of your dormant parts in just a few clicks. Simple, fast, and efficient. kheoosmarket takes care of everything. We sell on your behalf in complete confidentiality. To maximize your sales, we create detailed offers and associated marketing. Free. Free your warehouses from your dormant and value them instead of destroying them. Preserve. Fight against the depletion of the planet's resources by committing to a circular economy approach. How it works. Provide the basic data of your dormant parts. Over the orders, prepare the goods, and hand them over to the carrier. And that's all. We manage the logistics and remunerate your sales. Have the potential of your stock elevated now. Join us at kheoosmarket.com.